Chris Moses here with Gospel Progressions University. And in this lesson, I'm going to basically make, I want to call it a culmination, but all the things I've been showing you in all these other videos, I'm going to just do a simple chord progression and use some of the principles that I've been teaching you guys over the years, the months. So it's a very simple chord progression. It's in the key of F major, right? And what we'll do, I'll show you the very simple way first, and then I'll show you about 4 different ways we can actually substitute some chords in there with some of the principles that I've showed you spread out through all the videos, scores of videos that I have. And you can actually utilize this, whether it's in talk music or some kind of, whatever, however you want to utilize it. So it's in F, and we can just do it simple. So it's the first, I'm going to demonstrate this to you. All right, so here we go. All right, very simple. Again, I'll just show you the numbers, right? The 4 chord, and then we go to, it's a B flat, right? Then we have the 1 over the 3 over A, and then we go to 5, and then 6, and 2, 5 again, C, and then I did this, F, E, and then we ended on this, right? I may have showed you this before or something like it. So now that's how this little melody goes. So we're gonna play it now 4 times, and I'm gonna show you 4 different ways. The first substitution, right? This is all normal. So what I did here was C sharp with D flat diminished 7th, and then played the D minor, right, over a C. Same chords now. All right, so our first change, first substitution. So the second one, we're gonna do this. So you can do this. Same chords, or rather, 5. So what I did here, 4, 1 over 3, and then G diminished over A, B diminished 7th, all right, C sharp diminished, octave, all right, or inversion, same chords. All right, that was the second way. Now the third way is that we can do this here. Now we're gonna substitute, because we substituted the chord to get to the 6th chord, right? And then we added some movements to get us to the 6th chord. Now we're gonna change up now to do a total substitution. So you can do this with the 4 chord. This is an interesting substitution. So now I'll just go through the whole thing. Okay, so the first chord here is a half diminished 7th chord, right? This is a typical chord in gospel / jazz. Is known or usually used as a 2 chord in a minor 2-5-1 progression. So it would normally be a 2, 5, and 1. But instead of doing that, we're going to completely just replace the 4th, disregard the 4th for the key of F. All right, and then play this half diminished 7th chord and just go down in half steps minor. And then now we go to our B flat minor 9th, and then the same A minor 7th chord. Well, let's say the same. I may have showed you this before, but I think this is the first time we're looking at this. So A minor 7th, and then A flat minor 7th, right? Or A flat minor, whatever this is. Okay, so A flat, E flat, A flat, B, and F. All right. So we have this chord here, and then this regular 2, 5. All right, that's your third way. Now the 4th way is just like the third way, but with one more change. You can't catch that. So it's the same kind of movement, and we're just gonna go down though in half steps. This is a very popular kind of chord progression. You have a minor chord or the half diminished, and then you start it off. You just kind of set it off with the half diminished, set it off, and then just go down in minors. You know, you could actually continue, and go down from the fourth just all the way down in half steps. But depending on what you want to do and what your flavor is. I hope this has given you some fresh ideas into your chord progressions. And if this is totally like, what, you've never seen anything like this before, you're just like a brand new kind of beginner, or you're just getting into gospel music and stuff, well, I got something for you. You need to check out my website and download my free guide. This guide will help you. It's actually a 3-day guide, and it's a beginner's church service guide just for you. Check out the link in the description. And if you have any questions and comments, any concerns, just go ahead and leave that in the comment section. I love the engagement. The algorithm loves it as well. God bless you. I will see you in the next video.